Now, you can send money from Ghana to Nigeria using MTN mobile money. Let me show you how. First, you dial *170#. Then you select transfer money. Then now you select cross-border payment, which is number 7. Then you choose transfer to wallet. Then you select Nigeria. Now over here you have to input the receiver's number, starting with the country code 234. Now the pattern I'm seeing here is that MTN is gradually going to integrate other countries. So in future, you may see Kenya, you may see Cameroon and other countries on this particular platform. So I think this is great for MTN mobile money users in Ghana and Nigeria, and is actually a very good step in making sure that people can now transact cross-border using mobile money. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section.